Assalamu alaikum, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I will talk about how I practice English at home. How I practice English at home. Well, learning English is very important in my life. I want to speak English well, so I practice English at home every day. And I believe that home is the best place to practice English because I feel more comfortable and relaxed. I do not feel shy or afraid uh, when I speak English. And I try to use English in my daily life as much as possible. And first of all, I start my day. I start my day with English thinking. When I wake up early in the morning, I think in English and I think about my daily plans, my work, my goals, and I try not to think in my mother language. This habit helps my brain get used to English, and slowly I feel more confident while speaking. Secondly, I practice English. I practice speaking English by talking myself, and I stand in front of a mirror or camera, and I stand in front of a mirror and or camera and speak English. I talk about what I did yesterday and what I will do today. Sometimes I describe my room, my house, or my surroundings, or my favorite festivals, my favorite hobbies, and so on. This method helps me improve my speaking skills and pronunciation. And and even if I make mistakes, so and even if I make mistakes, so I don't feel shy, and I recover it later. And as well as I watch English videos at home. I watch English learning channels like BBC Learning English, and I follow Mufti Menk and other Islamic scholars, and I learn from these videos. And uh, and I listen carefully to the speakers. I try to understand their accent and pronunciations, and sometimes I pause the video and repeat the sentences loudly. And this practice improves my listening and speaking skills. And I also learn new words and common expression from these videos. Next, I read English every day at home. I read easy English books, short stories, and simple articles. I also read English subtitles while watching videos. And when when I find a new word, I write it in a notebook. I learn the meaning and try to make my own sentence with that word. Reading helps me improve my vocabulary and sentence structure. After that, I practice writing in English. I write I I write small paragraphs about my daily routine, my hobbies, and my family and my feelings. Sometimes I write about my dreams and future plans. Writing helps me. Writing helps me very much, and I try to write at least a few lines every day. Moreover, I use English in daily activities at home. I talk to myself while cooking, cleaning, or working, and or working. I I name things in English and make simple sentences. For example, I say I am drinking water or I am cleaning my room. This habit makes English a part of my life. Finally, I stay patient and positive. Learning English takes time. I do not feel sad when I make mistakes. I do not feel sad when I make sentences mistakes. So instead, I learn from them. I practice English regularly because regular practice is the key to success. I believe that one day I will speak English confidently and fluently. Thank you so much.